Hello, my name is Michaela Ussery, and welcome to my ePortfolio. Here you can see my homepage, and to create my ePortfolio, I use Google Sites. I really enjoy Google Sites. I think it's pretty easy, not only to navigate through, but also to put together. It's easy to understand, easy to add stuff to, and you can add just about anything that you want to it, and it really doesn't have very many implications, and it's free, which is really nice. But here in my ePortfolio, you'll see welcome to my ePortfolio. The purpose of this ePortfolio website is to showcase my time in the Emporia State Elementary Education Program and my use and integration with technology during this time. So on my homepage, you'll see that I have links built in on my homepage that'll take you to all four of my different pages. Let's start with multimedia. For my multimedia page, this is kind of like all kinds of internet based things that I created with my technology. So my first one is my Edmodo. I created a classroom, and then I just made some comments and some posts. This is where my students would come, students or parents would come to see any like comments they need to know, any announcements, any important dates, things like that. This is where they would find it. They could also see what's due, any messages I might have, things like that. Next is my Schoology, which is similar to Edmodo in some ways, but here would be more towards the student, seeing what is expected of them. Their quizzes and tests could be found on here, my classroom expectations, their homework that's due. They can see their grades, their attendance, stuff like that. So parents and students again can both use this to keep track on of what the school is doing. Next is my online presentation I did over cyberbullying. And then my Ed Puzzle, which would be a quiz for the students to take. They'd watch the video, 5 Facts About the Moon, and then take a quiz that's embedded within that. Next is my Powtoon, which is my video going 5 Facts About the Moon. And that is it on my multimedia page. So let's go to my papers. These are all my papers that I wrote this semester. So I have my lesson plan that I geared towards a certain grade, wrote my lesson plan. I did 4th grade, and then wrote my lesson plan off of that. They were doing a pen pal assignment for a geography class, which was pretty fun to create. Next is my TPAC, how my lesson plan was integrated both technology and geography. Next is my storyboard over my cyberbullying presentation. And then after that is my instructional document. I did how to create a Word document, since Word is something that is used quite often. And after that is my virtual reality paper. And after my virtual reality paper is my augmented reality paper. And then last is my concept map and Tinker card. Next, we'll go to my video page. I have a couple videos on here. First is my Toontastic video that I created. I really enjoyed that. It was pretty fun. Then my instructional video that I did with a partner. Finally, I have my 2.0, which is nothing on here, but this is where I'd add any of my web stuff. So, thank you for watching my ePortfolio video, and I hope you enjoyed it.